Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy affiliate marketing with Amazon step by step clearly. Start by researching the Amazon affiliate program to understand how it works. Visit the Amazon Associates homepage and read the program's guidelines. Create an Amazon account if you don't already have one. Sign in to the Amazon Associates dashboard to begin the registration process. Fill out the application form with your personal information and website details. Provide information about how you plan to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Review and accept the terms and conditions before submitting your application. Wait for confirmation of your acceptance into the Amazon Associates program. Once accepted, explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with available tools. Select the products you want to promote by searching through the Amazon catalog. Generate affiliate links for those products directly from the dashboard. Choose the right format for your links, whether text links or image ads. Incorporate your affiliate links into your website or social media platforms. Create engaging content that naturally includes your affiliate links. Use SEO best practices to optimize your content for search engines. Promote your content on social media channels to reach a broader audience. Monitor your traffic and conversion rates using the reporting features in the dashboard. Adjust your strategy based on what products and content perform best. Stay updated on Amazon's policies and best practices to ensure compliance. Continuously test different products and promotional strategies to maximize earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.